Okay, dear student, welcome. We are going to study about nuclear physics, chapter 19. Now our topic is the name given to the radiations. In the last class, you have studied about the discovery of radioactivity. The radiations emitted by the radioactivity, which was named by Rutherford and other scientists, gave the name of radiations by performing an experiment as. So the experiment is they placed some uranium in the cavity of lead box. This one is lead box and it is a cavity, and uranium is placed in this cavity. Photographic plate is placed in front of the mouth of the cavity and place the vacuum chamber along with the strong magnet between the box and the photographic plate. Look at the diagram. This one is photographic plate in front of the mouth of the cavity, and this one is our chamber, vacuumed chamber. Its air is evacuated by the vacuum pump and strong magnet is placed. This is the north pole, this one is the south pole. So, three types of radiations emitted by the uranium. These three types of radiations, they are emitted by the uranium because uranium is a radioactive substance. One of the radiations bent towards the negative pole, mean north pole of the magnet, and made a heavy spot on the photographic plate was named as alpha rays. Look at, this is our north pole, and this radiation, which named as alpha rays, is bent towards the positive, mean it is bent towards the positive and it is alpha rays. So, next, the other ray bent towards positive pole south of the magnet and made light spot on the photographic plate. This rays is called beta rays, and it is negatively charged particles, mean electrons, are they bent towards the south pole. Next, third type of rays shoot straight without affected by the magnetic field, and spot on the photographic plate was named as gamma rays. This symbol is gamma rays. So this rays goes straight and also affect the photographic plate, but was not affected by the magnetic field. Now we will study about the properties of these three rays, alpha, beta and gamma rays. First of all, we will study about the properties of alpha rays. They are positively charged particles of helium nuclei, means they are consisted of protons. Number two, they have small penetration power. Number three, they have large ionization power. They produce fluorescence on the certain metal. Fluorescence means they produce shining when strike the metal. Number five, they produce burns and sores on human skin. Number six, they can produce artificial radioactivity. And number seven, they are absorbed in air. Next, beta rays. Properties of beta rays, they are negatively charged particles, means electrons, means they are consisted of electron. They affect the photographic plate. Number three, their ionization power is very small. Number four, their velocity is 9 into 10 raised to 7 meter per second to 27 into 10 raised to 7 meter per second. Number 5, they are easily scattered by the nuclei, means when they strike the nucleus, they are scattered here and there. Number 6, they produce fluorescence on barium platinocyanide. Barium platinocyanide is an element consisted of barium and cyanide. So when it strikes this metal, it produces shine, it produces fluorescence. Next, third is properties of gamma rays. Number 1, they are neutral particles, mean neutron, because neutron has no charge. They eject electrons when strike on metal. Number 3, their speed is equal to the speed of light. Number 4, they produce fluorescence on platinocyanide. Number 5, their penetration power is very large. Number 6, they are absorbed in various metals. Okay, these are the properties of the alpha rays, gamma rays and beta rays. Next, in next class we will study about the radioactive elements. Thank you.